Hey everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net for Wednesday, May 10th. First thing I wanted to show you is the strength of mobile and how it has the impact on the top three the top three performing tech stocks versus the old major oil players. So when you look at these three, obviously Facebook in blue, Google or Alphabet in orange, and Amazon in purple. And again, this is going all the way back since 2013, where the oil major players, this is Exxon, this is Chevron. You can see around, since oil has dropped in around this time, their performance for the major oil players out of the U.S. have not been that strong. Actually, it's been fairly flat. But the returns, which obviously impacts the stock value, has been really stellar since 2013-14. As a result, these companies, Facebook, Google, Amazon, are some of the largest players with the highest market cap on the planet. Apple's up there too, but the performance is just not as good. But regardless, it's something you can see here in red. It's just not that good. But Amazon's the big winner here. So that just goes to show you that the oil majors are just not performing, but the newer tech companies that focus on mobile have just boomed in value, and so has their market cap. All right, so we're done with the French election, and the election was around here, Monday, May 8th. It ran up as Macron looked like he was going to win, flatlined a little bit, and boom, it's kind of taken off. Not a lot, but just something to be aware of. This is the stock 600 for Europe overall, and the return here, still 1 day, has had a nice rise since the last day or so. Okay, let's talk about the China PMI, Producing Manufacturing Index, I believe. And it's been dropping. You can see here, this index from this KXN, I don't know, sorry, is supposedly reliable. It's not from the Chinese government. So when you look at the previous month, it has been pretty well dropping. There is some green shoots, you could call it, here in manufacturing. But overall, new orders have dropped off, and this again is from Trading Economics. So really good stats to go with to really understand the different sectors in the Chinese economy that have been doing well and not doing well overall. But it has dropped off quite a bit since the previous month of March. Now, the interesting thing is you can get a forecast here as well. They're forecasting a drop over the next couple of months, so I find that quite interesting. Lastly, you always want to know how the Eurozone economy overall is doing versus UK as UK faces Brexit. So the most recent charts are here in blue, are the UK composite, which has been long-term dropping, but the PMI for Europe overall has been growing. So when you factor in the markets here on the stock 600, that's something interesting that kind of confirms the theory there. So just wanted to put that out there, and hopefully it'll set the record straight on some of these charts. Over and out. Later.